The use of torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers in electrical terminations is essential for ensuring proper and reliable connections. By applying the correct torque, it helps to prevent over-tightening or under-tightening, which can compromise the integrity of the termination, ensures optimal electrical contact, and minimizes the risk of loose connections, and meets industry standards and regulations that require specific torque values for electrical terminations. The usage of torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers in the electrical industry varies depending on factors such as application, industry standards, and company policies. However, their adoption is increasing due to the growing emphasis on safety, quality, and compliance. Torque tools are widely used in commercial and industrial settings where electrical systems must meet strict safety and reliability requirements. While less common in residential applications, torque tools may be used for critical connections, such as those involving high currents or heavy appliances. Electrical equipment manufacturers often specify torque values for the proper installation of their products. There are various types of torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers available to suit different applications. These are manually operated tools that use a spring mechanism to measure and apply torque. These provide digital readouts and allow for more precise torque control. These feature a preset torque value and automatically disengage when the desired torque is reached. These allow the user to adjust the torque setting within a specific range. The benefits of using torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers include improved safety and reliability, reduced maintenance and downtime, compliance with industry standards, and increased productivity and efficiency. The use of torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers in electrical terminations is becoming increasingly prevalent in the industry. By applying the correct torque, these tools help to ensure proper connections, minimize the risk of electrical failures, and meet safety and regulatory requirements. When dealing with electrical terminations, applying the correct torque is crucial for safe and reliable connection. Both over-tightening and under-tightening can lead to problems, compromising the integrity of the entire system. Over-tightening can strip threads, damage the connector, or even break the conductor. This weakens the connection, making it susceptible to failure over time. Under-tightening, on the other hand, results in a loose connection with increased resistance. This can cause overheating, arcing, and potentially lead to a fire. Using a torque wrench or screwdriver ensures that the connection is tightened to the manufacturer's specified value, providing the optimal balance between tightness and preventing damage. Industry standards, such as those set by the National Electrical Code, or NEC, often mandate the use of torque tools for certain electrical terminations, especially in commercial and industrial settings. These standards are in place to ensure safety and prevent electrical failures. Compliance with these standards is not only important for regulatory reasons but also demonstrates a commitment to quality and safety. The prevalence of torque tool usage varies across different sectors of the electrical industry. In commercial and industrial environments, where electrical systems are complex and carry significant loads, torque tools are considered essential. These settings prioritize safety and reliability due to the potential consequences of electrical failures, which can include equipment damage, production downtime, and even personal injury. In residential applications, the use of torque tools is less common but still important for critical connections. For example, connections involving high current appliances like electric stoves, water heaters, and HVAC systems should be torqued to the specified value. These appliances draw significant power, and a loose connection can quickly become a fire hazard. Furthermore, electrical equipment manufacturers play a crucial role in promoting the use of torque tools. They often specify torque values for the proper installation of their products to ensure optimal performance and safety. Following these manufacturers' recommendations is critical for maintaining the equipment's warranty and preventing premature failure. There is a range of different types of torque wrenches and screwdrivers available to meet different needs and applications. Firstly, mechanical torque wrenches are a common choice. These tools use a spring mechanism to measure and apply torque. They are simple to use and relatively inexpensive, making them a popular option for many electricians. However, they require careful calibration to ensure accuracy. Secondly, electronic torque wrenches offer greater precision and control. These tools feature a digital display that shows the applied torque in real time, allowing the user to achieve the exact specified value. They often come with features such as data logging and audible alarms to indicate when the target torque is reached. Thirdly, fixed torque screwdrivers are designed for repetitive tasks where a specific torque value needs to be consistently applied. These screwdrivers have a preset torque setting and automatically disengage when the desired torque is reached, preventing over-tightening. They are ideal for assembly line work and other high-volume applications. Fourthly, adjustable torque screwdrivers offer the flexibility to adjust the torque setting within a specific range. This makes them suitable for a variety of different applications where different torque values are required. They are a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of electrical terminations. The benefits of using torque wrenches and screwdrivers extend beyond simply ensuring proper tightness. They contribute to improved safety by reducing the risk of electrical fires and shocks. A properly torqued connection is less likely to overheat or arc, minimizing the risk of ignition. They also enhance reliability by preventing loose connections and ensuring consistent performance over time. This reduces the need for maintenance and minimizes downtime. By adhering to industry standards and manufacturers' recommendations, the use of torque tools ensures compliance with regulations and best practices. This helps to avoid potential fines and legal liabilities. Torque tools can also improve productivity and efficiency by reducing the time it takes to make reliable connections. With the right tool, electricians can quickly and accurately torque connections, minimizing errors and rework. In conclusion, the use of torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers is becoming increasingly prevalent in the electrical industry. These tools play a critical role in ensuring safety, reliability, and compliance with industry standards. By applying the correct torque to electrical terminations, electricians can minimize the risk of electrical failures and ensure the long-term performance of electrical systems. Furthermore, consider the practical applications of torque wrenches and screwdrivers in various electrical scenarios. Imagine an electrician working on a large commercial project, installing hundreds of electrical panels and outlets. Without torque tools, they would have to rely on their judgment to tighten each connection, leading to inconsistencies and potential errors. By using torque wrenches and screwdrivers, they can ensure that every connection is torqued to the specified value, minimizing the risk of loose connections and overheating. In a residential setting, consider the importance of properly torquing the connections on a circuit breaker panel. These panels distribute power throughout the home, and a loose connection can have serious consequences. By using a torque screwdriver to tighten the connections, homeowners can ensure the safety of their electrical system and prevent potential fires. Also, think about the manufacturing of electrical equipment such as circuit breakers and transformers. These products are assembled with numerous connections that require precise torque. Torque tools are essential for ensuring the quality and reliability of these products. Furthermore, another consideration is calibration and maintenance. Torque wrenches and screwdrivers are precision instruments that require regular calibration to ensure accuracy. Calibration involves comparing the tool's readings against a known standard and adjusting it as needed. It is recommended to calibrate torque tools at least once a year or more frequently if they are used extensively. Proper maintenance is also important for extending the life of torque tools. This includes cleaning the tools regularly, lubricating moving parts, and storing them in a dry and protected environment. Additionally, it is critical to choose the right torque tool for the application. Different types of connections require different torque values, and using the wrong tool can damage the connection or lead to inaccurate readings. It is important to consult the manufacturer's specifications for the recommended torque value for each connection. Then consider the ergonomics of torque tools. Using torque wrenches and screwdrivers can be physically demanding, especially when working on large projects with numerous connections. It is important to choose tools that are comfortable to use and have ergonomic features such as cushioned grips and adjustable handles. In addition to the different types of torque tools, there are also different torque measurement units. The most common unit is Newton meters or Nm. However, Some manufacturers may specify torque values in inch-pounds, or in pounds, or foot-pounds, or FT-pounds. It is important to understand these different units and be able to convert between them as needed. Moreover, the impact of technology on torque tools is important. Modern torque wrenches and screwdrivers are often equipped with advanced features such as Bluetooth connectivity, data logging, and wireless communication. These features allow electricians to track torque readings, generate reports, and share data with other devices. Technology is also being used to develop new types of torque tools, such as smart torque wrenches that automatically adjust the torque value based on the application. Remember the importance of training when it comes to torque tools. Using torque wrenches and screwdrivers correctly requires proper training and understanding. Electricians should be trained on how to select the right tool for the application, how to calibrate the tool, and how to apply the correct torque. Training can help to prevent errors and ensure that connections are properly torqued.